Good morning, everyone. This is Weatherman Nate, and welcome to another weather video. It's 11:19 a.m., and welcome to another weather video. This is Weatherman Nate. So, for this video, we are not really going to be looking at a whole lot of weather models and a whole lot of, we ain't going to be looking at a whole lot of weather models and a whole lot of forecasting. We are mostly going to be talking about what's happening right now. And you know what? We are going to be looking at some outlooks, but not a whole lot of models and forecasting. So I hope you enjoyed the video. God bless you all. And let's get into this video. So as of right now, as of 11:20 a.m., we have a major snowstorm happening up here. A major snowstorm. Actually, I am watching a live stream right now. I am looking at Ryan Hall, y'all. Very good live streamer when it comes to severe weather and snowstorms. Live streamer. Very good live streamer. And I'm just enjoying the live stream. I'm sorry, y'all, about the pace on this video, y'all. I'm talking kind of slow here. I don't know, y'all. I'm kind of hard on myself. Sometimes. Y'all just bear with me. Okay. So, yeah, we have a winter storm up here, a major winter storm that's bringing very heavy snowfall, very heavy wet snow. It's looking like a winter wonderland. Walking in a winter wonderland. Uh-oh. When you see this, that basically means that the winter storm warning has been upgraded. So, in the pink here, these are winter storm warnings. In this area here, that's a wind advisory. We do have some isolated rain showers, possibly some isolated severe storms. Let's actually go to the severe weather outlook for today, where we have a marginal risk, level 2 risk for severe weather for Mississippi and Louisiana. Golly. We actually got some in these areas here, possibly some severe weather. When that warm air mass collides with the cold air mass. And that's tomorrow. Let's check out the tornado outlook for today. And we do have a tornado outlook, level 1 risk for tornadoes in areas of Texas, Houston, Texas. In these areas in Texas, a level 1 risk for tornadoes. Ooh, we do got a wind threat and a hail threat for today. Now, let's go to tomorrow, which is we do have a risk for severe weather tomorrow, but we are not going to be talking about tomorrow too much. Flash flood threat for today. Got a little flash flood threat for today with those severe storms. Now let's go back into our radar. Let's actually go here. Let's go to our surface front maps. We have a warm front, cold front, warm front, our warm front. Okay. Let's go here. Let's go to temperatures. And it's pretty chilly. It's actually not just chilly. It's actually pretty cold up in these areas here where we're getting that major snowstorm. Yeah, y'all. We have a major snowstorm up here, but this is not the only snowstorm we're going to see. In the next days or two, we are going to be seeing another snowstorm come together, another big major snowstorm that comes together, almost in the same area. And this can actually affect more areas up here in these areas here. We are going to be watching out for a nor'easter. And I will make a video on that very soon. more forecasting, more models. But for this video, we are more likely going to be talking and having conversations and talking about the weather here. This is just radar. Let's see. So yeah, we have a major snowstorm happening up here. Some severe weather that's going to take place today in Texas and Louisiana in these areas. Very strong winds that's going to happen in these areas here. We see these colors here. That's a wind advisory. And that's it. Let's check the wind speeds out, because we do got some gusty winds. Yep, we do have some gusty winds. Lord, look over here. It's pretty gusty. This is not wind gust. This is maximum sustained winds. I'm sorry, y'all. This is maximum sustained winds. Maximum sustained. Maximum sustained. Not a whole lot of forecasting in this video, but I just wanted to tune in with you guys with the weather. I just wanted to tune in with you guys with the weather. You know what? Hold up. Let's go to some storm chasers. This is Storm Chaser Brian Kopic.
I will be rolling southbound shortly as well. I see that one band there south of Marshalltown starting to kind of reach over towards 380, so.
Yep, y'all. That's Storm Chaser Brian Kopic. Yep, looking at storm chasers out here in this big winter storm as well. All right, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video. God bless you all. It's not one of my greatest videos with me, hyper, more with energy. But I hope you enjoyed the video. God bless you all. And stay safe out there in this big winter storm that's happening. And stay safe out there in this severe weather event. It's not going to be a big severe weather event. Just stay safe out there in our severe weather and our severe weather major snowstorm. Severe storms and our major snowstorm. That wraps this up for this video. God bless you all. See you in my next video. And what else do I got to say? I think that's it, y'all. God bless you all. See you in my next video.